General, with Father Lonesome, Wayne Lonesome Jr. and Wayne Lonesome. Now he's the Empress Engine of Ice Spec saying this is Luciano the messenger. Come on, take it away. Come along, this road is the champion. Yes. Too much splicers and thieves, making so much heartache grief. Too much wagonese, okay. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the champion sound. But run things I go throw them down and run them out of town. Them can cross the road, them higher pop out like toad. When them see around things sound overload, with him double them and lick like a board. Too much tail bearers, wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Wolves and leopards are trying to taste the champion sound. Okay, yeah. But run things I go show them down and show them say how we wear the crown. Run things that's how you run the town. Yeah, yeah. So why can't run find gold direction? Today me a big bad selection. When the runt is come to kill everyone. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd. Idiot son, why are trying to taste run things